Okay, hello my phonics group. This is my phase 4 phonics group. You're the group that's usually with me at 8:50 in the morning. We're now doing our two consonants that make the sn sound. Okay, sn sound. Think about any words that you can that begin with the sn sound. Two consonants that are making one sound. Right, pointy finger ready. Snack, snack, snag, snapshot. That's a tricky one, isn't it? Sniff, sniff, snip, snip, snob, snug. Sniff to smell my snack. Sniff to smell my snack. Let's do our speed reading now. Snack, snag, snapshot, sniff, snip, snob, snug. Good job. Okay. Right, I want you to pick one word now. I'm going to set a timer on my phone. Well, it's not on my phone at all, is it? It's on my watch. Right, I'm going to set my timer, stopwatch. I'm going to choose the word snip. Choose your word. 1 minute. Ready? Best letters writing. Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 20 seconds down. 9, 10, halfway, 11, 12, 13, 14, oh that's dreadful then, 15, 16, oh that's awful P, 17, do it on again, 18, 19, and stop. I managed 19 full ones. How many did you get? Right, I'll do my next sound for you. Good job. Well done, you three.